Okay, so the first issue we ran into was the stripped bolt right here for the leg, and I wanted to make sure it was secure, so I went and purchased a new bolt, and I was going to drill it out, but then I thought, you know what, I have this tap and die set, and that's the right size, and it's a cool set. I've never really used it much. We had it on the farm, and I think at times we used it, but it wasn't a lot, fortunately. So I did do it, and it did hold. You could tell I put the bolt in, it was screwing in good, but I could tell it didn't have the staying power. Probably the inside, it was pretty thin metal on the inside, so and the bolt was just a little bit longer, so I was able to put a nut on it and tighten it down good. So that one's in there good, and the other one's in there good. So all the legs are on good and solid. I feel comfortable that it's stable. So we're ready for our next step, which I think will be wiping it down and seeing what we're working with. And maybe hanging another light here so we have some more light to work with.